Understanding Drone Flyaway, an English learning guide. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore an interesting phrase in the English language: drone flyaway. This term is becoming increasingly relevant in our technology-driven world, and it's important to understand its meaning and usage. So, let's dive in. Drone flyaway refers to a situation where a drone, an unmanned aerial vehicle, unexpectedly flies away from its intended course or the control of its operator. This can happen due to various reasons like signal interference, technical malfunctions, or loss of GPS. Understanding this term is essential as drones become more common in both recreational and professional settings. When we talk about drone flyaway, it's often in the context of drone operation and safety. For example, a news report might say, "The event was interrupted by a drone flyaway," causing mild panic among the attendees. It's a term that's particularly relevant to drone enthusiasts, photographers, and technology professionals. While the term drone flyaway describes a problem, it's also important to know how to prevent it. This involves understanding the drone's operating manual, ensuring good weather conditions for flying, and having a strong GPS signal. By knowing about drone flyaway, users can take steps to avoid this issue. I hope this video has helped you understand what a drone flyaway is and why it's important. Remember, as technology evolves, so does language. Stay curious and keep learning new terms like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language learning adventure.